And today I have built a mob grinder. As you can hear, I have the, let's just actually turn it down, sound volume down, because it's kind of loud for me, but probably not for you. But yeah, here's what I did. I used the block of quartz for apparently no reason at all, and yeah, they're glitching out. I don't know why. Oh, let me see. Yeah. Burn unholy spawns. Burn. And they're jumping out. Yeah, I might need to replace that. Actually, let me see. Oh yeah, here's the problem. That I have to put it on that way. And that. And now the mobs should die. I don't know. Let me just turn the volume back up on. Will they die? They spawning? Apparently not. Hold on. See about here. I'm not here, but here. Yeah, it should be. It should be a place, right? Yeah, probably. We'll have to wait and see. Oh, now I see. Light is down here. No, 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 pressure plate. Why couldn't they put that in the update? Nope, no pressure plates at all. That sucks. What I guess? The buttons in this. Apparently not. Oh no, so the only reason they're not spawning is probably because there's fire. I'm dumb for not apparently noticing that. I am so dumb. But yeah, it's very late, so I'm trying not to speak really loudly. So yeah. How can I do this though? Oh. Actually, forget it. I'll try later. Sorry guys, but in the next video I'll try and make a new one. So yeah, and when I do, I'll show you how to do it. So okay guys, bye, and yeah, I have more failed attempts to come to, but remember, keep up. Never put your head down unless you keep dying in a video game, like Unfair Mario or Cat Mario. Yes. Bye.